And look at this beautiful farmhouse sink. Don't you love it? You could almost wash a dog in there. And a lovely dishwasher and so much storage, and everything is soft close. Look at that. Wouldn't it be nice to never hear a drawer slam again? I really want to point out this island and look at this feature. I just love it. A waterfall. Doesn't it make it look so nice and sleek? And talk about storage. My goodness, this kitchen has more storage than you will need for a family of 5. How about that awesome view? Wouldn't you just love to sit here and eat dinner every night and look at that? I know I would. Now, can you imagine living here and going from that beautiful water view to this beautiful view of these solid oak doors? What a grand entrance into the home. Come on, let me show you more. I'm going to take you into the master bedroom. Look at the space in here. Is this not gorgeous? You could have 2 king-size beds in here. And now how about the master bathroom? It's absolutely spectacular. Look at all the room in here. And aren't these fun? Who doesn't love copper sinks? And these mirrors with their beautiful distressed look, it kind of brings old and new together again. But here, this is the best. Wouldn't you just love to relax in this tub after a nice long day? I know I would. And we have a private water closet, and look at the size of this shower. Isn't this just beautiful? And the tile matches everything in the kitchen. So they kept the theme throughout. Now, let's go look at that master closet. Ladies, is this not a dream? Have you ever seen so many shelves? Can you just imagine your shoes and your purses over here? And all your beautiful things over here? And you could even put an island or a dressing table in here. This is a nice closet. I wish I had one.